Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. I live in Los Angeles, California, and I am fully vaccinated and boosted, have no fear of heights, love going on Ferris wheels. Thanks so much. Oh, this is fantastic. The lights are beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that, the fireworks. I know. I remember going out with you in high school. How much time has passed? Oh my gosh, everybody looks so small. You can see the merry-go-round. That's where we had our first kiss. I love you too. This is so much fun. I feel like a kid again. Now you can't have any of my popcorn. What are you doing? Get out of here.